Choose freedom, choose adventure, choose leisure.
Hiya campers, welcome back to the Choose Leisure Motorhome channel. So today I am in this really lovely 2025 model auto sleeper, following up a request sent in from our comments on one of our last videos to do a quick how-to guide on the Dometic 10 series compressor fridge. So if you want to come with me, we'll get into that now. Right, so here we are, the fridge is currently off. So if I press the big silver dial, and you'll see the display just to the left warm up. So once you're into this bit, you have your display settings here. So the top one's your temperature. Just either side of the actual display on the temperature gauge, you have two blue snowflakes. When they're blue, then it's actually working on it. It's getting to the cold temperature that you've set it to. You can hear the fans have kicked in. When they go white, then basically it means it's too temperature. It'll cut the fans out, and then it will cut them back in again as it needs to cool the fridge down. If I go into the actual temperature menu, so if I press the silver button, you have options then to go into either the temperature controls or into your settings menus. So we're going to go to the temperature controls first, click to confirm that's the menu you want to change, and then you can adjust the temperature up or down. So obviously the smaller wedge is not quite as cold as it would be if it's on the bigger wedge. So we're going to put it up to maximum cold now. You've always got the battery illuminated because this particular fridge is a compressor fridge. It always runs through the 12-volt system. If you go into the next menu, click to confirm, you have your user mode and you've got your settings mode. So if we go into user mode first, we'll click to confirm. You have performance, which means the fridge is running to its performance. It's going to get cold just on a natural kind of basis. You can stick it on a quiet mode, so nighttime running, cuts the fans out and then makes it a quieter running for nighttime purposes. And then you've got a boost. So if you're putting warm or room temperature goods into your fridge, and obviously you want them to get cooler quicker, you can stick it on a boost, then it gives it more power, more oomph, and it will get your goods colder quicker. Obviously, if you don't select anything within a certain time, you can see that the actual screen times out and it goes back to your main menu. If I press the silver button again, I'm going to go down to the settings menu now, and then I'm going to go out of user mode and go down to settings. I'm going to click to confirm on that one. So you have a child lock. So this locks the screen to stop any children coming fiddling along and turning the fridge on and off. You have a silence. So if your door has been left open for too long, you'll get an audible warning, but you can turn that off so it just gives you a visual warning. As you can see, it's just timed back out on me, so I'm just going to go back into the settings menu there. The CI is always illuminated because it's running through the CI bus. And then you have a defrost. So basically what this will do is if your seals are a little bit sticky or a bit stuck, then that basically warms them up. You have a return button there to go back to any menu. And then if you want to turn the fridge off, you just press and hold the silver button and the fridge will go back off again. So there you go, campers. That is how to operate your Series 10 Dometic compressor fridge. So I hope that's covered off everything you need to know. Drop us a quick comment if there's anything else you'd like us to film next. We're always here to help. So until next time, carry on camping.